it cost?
Everything.
All the pins at once. Now that would be cool.
Sorry like that. Hey guys, how's it going? It's that FLYZY. You know, y'all know the vibes, man. You know what I'm saying? We back with another video. Excuse my little messy room. It's messy over here, so we ain't gonna show you over there, alright? So, I'm always out of breath. Let me. Okay, let's just have a seat. You know what? Let's switch the cameras. But anyways, today y'all, we got a. Let me not show the address. I ain't mark it out. You got a special little box. You know, I thought it was time for an upgrade. I wanted to treat myself. You know what I'm saying? My birthday was on the 11th, but we'll talk about that next video. So with that being said, it's the 12th today. I'm really excited. So let's switch to the unboxing cam now. Okay, so I'll see y'all. You know how we do it. Normally we do a little skit, but I ain't really had a skit, and I don't think it was necessary in this case. But we're just gonna open the box. Got our little safety scissors. I need to get a knife. Oh, I hope I ain't cut the box inside. Oh Lord, we got. Oh, the thing got stuck. How my one-handed skills, y'all. All right, y'all ready to see the big reveals? Pop this thing open. Woo! What is this? I think I opened the box the wrong way. Yes, sir. Did I order the right one? Yes, sir. Come on. Everybody was unboxing their consoles. I'm finna unbox my car. All right. Good Lord, man. Ignore all the mess. Yes, sir. It's finally arrived, y'all. I'm gonna keep it a beam with y'all. I don't know what was the point of me doing an unboxing for this, because there wasn't as much in the box as I thought there was, but we was gonna run with it anyway. So we're just gonna cut this thing open with my safety scissors. Don't judge me. Safety first. I ended up cutting myself off the PC before the scissors though. So I guess it's a lose-lose. But as you can see, when we open it, we see that little red thing people were talking about. People had issues with it. It's kind of like it's weird. I don't care, because it complements the build of my PC. It's red and black anyway, so I'm not complaining much. But there is the card itself in all its beauty, bro. EVGA. Looks real nice with the finish. Let's crack it open. Oh, calm down, buddy. About to break the dang camera. So as y'all can see, it comes with an installation guide for people who don't work on PCs, which I thought was dope. Just in case, so you don't put it in backwards. I don't know what I'm talking about. All right, but look, seriously though, let's pull it out. So as you can see, it's not that heavy. Upon holding it, I didn't find it to be that heavy, as heavy as people were making out to be. It's a little heavier, obviously, because it has Dree fans opposed to my old car, but it's not that big of a deal, you know. And then the top, the little shield, it looks different. I don't know why it looks like this. Can somebody please clarify? I'm not the expert at everything, so why does it look like that? I don't know, because normally the other ones look way different. But as you can see on the fans, it has a little EVGA prints, which I really love. It's really aesthetic and clean. Even though you don't see the fans, it still looks dope. But yeah, that was literally all that came in the box. All right, let's go to the installation, y'all. I'm sorry. We just gonna take a break from the time lapse, bro. I did not believe my teachers, bro. When you trying to demonstrate something, like, you know, the awkward angle, like if it was just me, bro, no camera, I literally just crouch down here and do it. But since there's a camera, I gotta like unscrew at a different angle to make sure y'all see what I'm doing. I guess it's a struggle. Like I give teachers their credit where it's due. Like I knew it was hard, and I ain't knew it was this hard though, bro. That's for sure. So hey, thank you, bro. All right, this card right here, bro, my baby, bro. This card actually is really, like, actually pretty good for the price. Like, honestly, that card held me off. But now it's time to get what we came for. Got the protective film. Should we take that off first? I assume so, yeah. So, look. Got the NVIDIA, not the NVIDIA. It was the EVGA card. Let me take off the protective covering, because I don't know if I'll be able to take it off when I get it. Alright, we got this beautiful bag. Well, I would kiss it, bro. I don't want my crusty drink. Bro, there's a hair on it, bro. Get already tripping. Alright, y'all. Oh wait. All right, got the last thing off. Now we gotta take this PCIe cover off. A little flabby piece of skin. All right, y'all. We are ready to put her in. All right, I'm gonna have to lean in for this one, so don't mind my big old forehead. All right. Woo! That thing up in there. All right, y'all. I know this has been a disaster. I cannot monitor the camera. I'm gonna get a cameraman next time. So now we're just gonna screw it in. I feel like y'all don't need to see much. I mean, y'all already seen me put it in. So, I mean, honestly, I feel like it's not that big of a deal. It's not focused, so. Oh my. So we got that plugged in now, y'all. Let's just see how this bad boy turns on. Let's see. Hopefully, we got to make sure the car registers and windows on the monitor, because the last time I did it, I don't know, it's because I swapped brands from a Radeon, but last time I did it, I had to update the drives or whatever. So I kind of want to clean up. Let's just turn it on, all right? So I'm gonna put y'all right here. First of all, let's see if it turns on. Hopefully, it doesn't break anything. Hopefully, my PC don't blow up. All right, y'all. You ready? 3, 2. It light up. Yo, it light up. I thought it had no RGB on it. Oh, okay. Let me calm down. Let me get it under control. Let me just check and see if the card is running and everything looks straight with it. All right, guys. All right, as y'all can see right there, see it says Microsoft Basic Display Adapter. I don't think it went through, so let me just scan for hardware changes. All right, y'all. So I went on a thing, and we do have an update. I thought I installed it. I guess I got to reinstall it because it's new drivers. I guess this card hasn't been updated because obviously it hasn't been used yet. So we're gonna wait for this to go up and see if it reads my graphics card, because I don't think it does at all. Can I at least see my dashboard, yo? 3070. Yeah, look at it. Look at it. All right, cool. It's open. All right, cool. I guess the games ain't working. Okay, I mean, shoot. Do we gotta? And I think I gotta install drivers too for EGVA, but that's like a whole. I ain't gonna do all that. Alright, y'all, man, that was the video. If y'all want to see, because I was going to do a test, but I feel like this video is going to be mad long, and I got to go to a bunch of clips. So, with that being said, if you guys would like to see a video of me testing it, not testing it for more so friends, because we know, like, y'all could go look on anybody else's videos and, like, see all the stats or whatever, I guess. Like, it does me no good to show y'all. Like, at the end of the day, when it gets downscaled to 1080, y'all are not going to notice this 159,000 FPS, but I guess if you want to know for yourselves, I'll link somebody's video down below. But I will be testing the ray tracing, because I've never played ray tracing, and it's like really laggy. I never understood it. When I understood what it was, I thought it was cool. So if y'all want to see a video where I go test the ray tracing on a bunch of different games that I play, make sure to tell me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I done cut my finger too. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'll see y'all next time.